Hey guys, I just gotta go get the peeps after I eat this awesome blue whale. Okay, I'll go find them.
Hey! Welcome back to
Cooking with Corbs.
Cooking with Corbs. Today we got these dope new t-shirts. Who gave us these shirts?
Goodbye.
The fine folk at Giver gave us these shirts, which is awesome. We're also, they're sponsoring a contest where you can, what's the contest about?
So you can enter your name in anything you're cooking. You can enter Cooking with Corbs, and then you could win a t-shirt.
Yeah, it's as easy as that. You don't have to make what we're baking or cooking. Just bake anything and hashtag Cooking with Corbs or Fernie Fix. And at the end of the week, Corbs and I are going to do a draw, and one lucky winner will win a t-shirt. Giver is still open right now.
Only for takeout.
Only for takeout. They're just doing takeout. We'll tell these guys what we're going to make this week. Are you doing a super long drum roll because you forget what we're making?
Yeah.
We're making something easy this week because we made something really hard last week. So this week we're going to make a kind of healthy twist on...
Rice Krispie Squares.
Rice Krispie Squares. We'll get to it. It's their kind of like nut and energy kind of Rice Krispie treats. Okay, so there's a bowl.
Bowl.
Okay, so the first thing we need is 4 cups of Rice Krispies. We got these, one is Rice Krispies, crispy rice puffs, and one is Kamut puffs. You can use whatever you have, but it makes it a little bit healthier if you use these brown rice type ones. Because we like adding all kinds of things in our Rice Krispie Squares and cookies and everything we make, we're gonna add some bonus things in there.
Pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin seeds. We got 1/3 of a cup of pumpkin seeds.
Sesame?
Sunflower seeds.
Sunflower. I know that. I said that. They both start with an S.
You were just kidding. I gave these a quick little toast before, but you don't have to do that. Rob is helping.
And then some cranberries.
Some cranberries. Half a cup of cranberries.
Cranberries.
You can kind of mix those up loosely.
Ooh, loosely.
So then we need 3/4 of a cup of maple syrup and of peanut butter, the recipe says. What we're gonna do is half maple syrup, half brown rice syrup, and then half peanut butter and half almond butter. You could use sun butter, but I don't know why you would because we're not going to school, so we can eat nuts for lunch all the time.
But what if you're like Charlie and you have an allergy?
True. If you're like Charlie and you have an allergy, then you are gonna need to make it with sunflower butter. This measuring part is a little bit tricky sometimes. You wanna put those over to the side? 3/4 of a cup of brown rice syrup and maple syrup. So you might want to get down to this so you can get right at eye level. And you're going to want to fill it to about 1/3 of a cup with this. It's pretty slow. This brown rice syrup is pretty viscous.
Now I'm going to tap it up 3/4 of a cup of maple syrup. But
you probably want to get down on eye level for this one again.
One thing,
too.
what the heck is 3?
So 3/4 right there.
Is that 3 or 4?
3/4.
So why wouldn't they just do like a half?
Nice. We're gonna put that aside. We're gonna heat all this up in a sec.
No, I put it aside. I'm really good at putting stuff aside. See.
All right. So now we need 3/4 of a cup of nut butter.
What
so
butter?
Maybe just take a big scoop of this, and then we'll top it up with peanut butter. We have some almond butter in, and Corb's gonna top it up to 3/4 of a cup with peanut butter.
Scoobity boop. Boobity scoop. What do you like better, Scoobity boops or boobity scoops?
So we just need to heat the peanut butter up and the maple syrup up.
Together?
Together, yeah. So you can use this to scoop them in.
So first one.
Yeah.
Put this in here.
No, just dump it all in here.
But they're gonna be together anyways. Spread it around, around.
This part you can speed up by scooping it with your spoon.
But it's fun like this.
But it's fun like this.
Scoopy poopy.
So
you hurt me finger.
Now we have 2 more things to add and then we're pretty much done. We need 1 teaspoon of salt.
Ooh, what the heck is that? There's wood in here. I don't know why.
I don't know why there's a piece of wood in the salt. And 2.5 teaspoons of gelatin. We got this gelatin in bulk, so you probably can't get bulk gelatin anymore, but you can get a little package of gelatin. So we need to heat this up a little bit, just for probably like 2 to 3 minutes, just until it bubbles. Corb's gonna turn it on. Let's put it at 4. So this is nice and hot. We're ready to dump this in with this. Do you want it? Which side do you want to hold? The bowl or that?
I'll hold the bowl.
The bowl? That's probably a good idea.
The bowl is like a bowl. Who would hold the bowl? I'm a crazy person who would hold the bowl.
Oh, the bowl is like a bowl. You know what they say. We're just gonna put all this in here, and then we're gonna just put it in a pan. All right, you want to mix that up in? We've got this pan. You can use an 8x8 too. This just makes it a little bit sort of thinner, which I like. We're gonna add some.
Can we add some sprinkles?
Yeah, we can add some sprinkles. What kind of sprinkles do you want to add?
The sprinkly kind.
Do you want to add some chopped up mini eggs?
Oh yeah, mini egg. It's mini egg town. Sounds kind of obnoxious. Gooey. Obnoxious. Super gooey.
Oh yeah, you did a great job.
It's good.
Oh yeah, perfect.
I think it's pretty good. If you're watching that whole what?
It's probably good to add them at the end like we did. Otherwise, if you add them right at the start, they might melt. The mix is so hot. But because we're adding them a little bit later, I think they might withstand the heat. You could put sprinkles or whatever the heck you wanted in there.
Even if you want to put an elephant in there.
You could put an elephant in there.
Gummy strawberry.
We're putting 1 gummy strawberry in there. And hopefully I'm the one who finds it.
No, I am.
No, probably me. All right, mix her up. I'll hold this pan. You scoop it in. Oh, this is an ungreased pan.
Oh. Pat it.
Yeah, pat it out.
Stab. That's wiping. Bob says, let me try it. Yummy!
So we're gonna put this baby in the fridge for an hour.
Yo.
All right, we're back. And now Corb's gonna scoop it out. Comes out like that. I'm gonna cut it into some pieces. We're gonna try it. You hope what?
I get the raspberry.
I hope I get the raspberry. Cheers.
I got raspberry!
I don't think you do. They're delicious.
It's so good.
Super good. And super easy.
Yeah.
And healthy. And it gives you energy.
Thanks
for watching Cooking with Corbs. Don't forget to post your photos on Instagram and Facebook. Bye.